Hey, what's up guys? This is the Crypto Ninja coming to you live from a tropical paradise. Now guys, if you're new to my channel, definitely make sure that you like and subscribe, because on this channel, I'm helping you guys to become rich with cryptocurrency and stay rich with cryptocurrency, okay? Now, today's video guys, we're going to be talking about copy trading using TradeWiz, and I'm going to show you some of the things that you should avoid and things that you should look out for. Okay, now this account right here, this guy, he had blocked me, and it's because I called him out, guys. He's basically like a wannabe Cupsy, and you can see his P&L right here. You know, he's making thousands of dollars every day. He never loses. And at first I was like, great work, right? And then I started digging into his scheme here, right? So on this one, he goes, a follower just DM'd me a pic of his GMGN P&L calendar, right? He says that he's making 8K from copy trading me. And, you know, and I seen that, I was like, I got kind of excited. I was like, oh, that's cool. Obviously, didn't give out the wallet. But you know, I did some digging. It took me about 30 minutes, and I actually found this guy's wallet. Okay, I found his wallet, and here's what I wrote. I don't believe you. I don't believe this, man. I found your wallet, and you hold coins for 22 to 10 seconds max. Anyone copy trading your wallet is going to get rinsed super hard. Okay, so when you're copy trading, guys, you do not want to be copy trading people that hold coins for 10 seconds and then dump. Because basically what he's doing is he's finding like super low liquidity, low market cap coins, like, I don't know, like 5K market cap. He buys in with like 2 or 3 SOL, and then he insta dumps. And if you even are copy trading with TradeWiz, which is like the fastest copy trader in the world, you're just going to lose money, guys. You're going to lose money. So that's what you don't want to do with copy trading. Now, what you want to do with copy trading is you want to find good wallets like this one. Okay, I actually found this on TradeWiz. You guys can find similar wallets. Now keep in mind, guys, that you're going to need a budget to do this. You're not going to just turn 1 SOL into 100 SOL overnight, because with this guy's wallet, he's making a lot of really good trades, right? Like for example, on this trade right here, this buddy trade. Okay, this trade, I think it was like a 4-hour hold. It was like a 4-hour hold. Look at this. Okay, it was like 14,500 profit from $800. So that was like a 19x, guys. If you're copy trading this guy with 1 Solana, you just made probably like 19 SOL, okay, off of one trade. Now, what I noticed on some of his other trades is he tends to just like hold a coin, he doesn't sell it. So what we can do here is we can copy his address, and I'm going to show you guys how to set this up, but I'm just going to show you further analysis, okay? So come over to GMGN and then paste it in there, and you can get more data here. So you can see down today, he's down 300. But if we look back last month, you can see he's mostly green, right? He made 46,000, right? He did really, or no, he made like 16,000, I think, for the month. But you can see he had some red days, but he had a lot of green days too. And the very end of the month, he had a major home run hit. So if you can consistently copy trade somebody with a good wallet that's not just selling right away, you're going to do really, really well, as long as you have the budget to do it, guys. And you have to be consistent. You can't just do one trade and then just be like, oh, it didn't work. No, you guys got to do this for like 7 days, 30 days or longer, and really, really go with it. You know, really, really push at it, and you can make really good money doing this, okay? But you can see like some of his coins, you can see in here, zoom in, let me just show this. You can see like hold. Okay, so like this one 41 minutes ago, this one's underwater. Yeah, so like that's underwater, but he holds a lot of these too as well. But yeah, if you have the budget for this, guys, you know, you can start out smaller. You could do like 0.1 SOL if you want. But this right here, this is the interface for TradeWiz. I'll have a link below for you guys to sign up with this. Okay, now basically what you do is you just click new copy trade, okay, and then you would take his wallet. And let me show you how to do this. So you just grab the wallet, okay, and then you come over here and you just put like smart money, like that, comma, and then you paste it in there, okay, you put the address in there, and then this is where you fill it out, like how to do the copy trade, okay? I know it looks overwhelming, it's really not. So like on this one right here, you put buy ratio, you can put 10% of his buys. And say you're starting out small, you're gonna put like 0.1, max 0.1. So it'll never go over 0.1. And then copy sell, you want that on. So whenever he sells, you'll sell as well, okay? And all this stuff, don't do anything. The slippage, I have a 33%. And then the sell fee, 0.001, 0.001. Okay, that's pretty much it. And then you don't have to worry about this advanced copy settings. I actually have turbo mode on. okay, and then the auto sell that you can set up your own custom take profits. I don't do that because I'm just copying whatever he's buying and selling on this, okay? So that's all you do, and then you just press create copy task, and then it starts, and then it should start auto trading. You can see this one, I got in earlier. It's only up like 3%. I just put like 25 bucks. This is a test, but yeah, guys, do not follow like people like this. This is not legit. This is basically like copy trading Cupsy, okay? Matter of fact, let me show you. Let me pause the video and I'll show you this guy's wallet so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, guys. So here's his wallet. Okay, here's his wallet, and you can see there's a few trades, very few. That's like, you know, for an hour, you know, like this one, 10 minutes. You could have made money on this one, but you can see like on all these trades, guys, all these trades you're gonna lose. There's no way you're gonna win, guys. There's no way. Look at 7 seconds. By the time he buys and sells, it's over, dude. It's a wrap. Okay, look at this. Look at this. 4.5K market cap. No, this is how you're gonna lose, guys. You do not want to copy trade people like this. This is like trying to copy trade Cupsy. Okay, you do not. This is a major red flag. When you see this, okay, look at his P&L. You know, he's really good because he's got all these people copying him. Look at that. He's killing it, but like you cannot copy this. You're not gonna get even $100 a day doing this, guys. I'm really trying to warn you guys and what to look out for. Like I said, stick to wallets. You really want to stick to the wallets where, you know, look at the hold times, guys. 1 day, 8 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours. You know, you're gonna have more capital tied up in this, doing this. But the thing is you're gonna make a lot more money doing it. Okay, like look at this one, guys. Right here, this Billions coin. Okay, look at $565 into 2,300. That's an excellent copy trade. Now, keep in mind, some of these might take, you know, weeks to play out, but this is just something that you could have running in the background, guys, as an additional income stream. But like I said, do not copy trade people that have like perfect P&Ls and they're trading for 2 seconds at a time. You're gonna get ultra wrecked. So, also, guys, if you're struggling with meme coin trading in general and you just want to start making money, a lot more money, then check out my Katana Strike. Okay, this is a professional trading system that I put together. Okay, I'm capping it out when we get to 10 people. I currently have 5 people in there right now. As a matter of fact, I'll show you what it looks like inside the members area. But this is the members area, guys. You can see here it is. Got 5 members right here. Okay, and this is the classroom, and I'm always updating every day. Okay, updating that up every day. Okay, and then these are all the different classes you guys get. And I do have a custom signals feed that I just set up today or yesterday, and you can see I already have some pretty good wins in here starting out. Even with the market sucks, you know, I had some pretty good little wins in here coming in. Just being very careful with giving out signals right now until like next week when things pick up. But that's what it looks like inside the members areas, guys. Like I said, I've been doing this for a very long time. I have a passion for helping others and, you know, helping people avoid getting ultra wrecked. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you want to fill out the survey below to see if you're even a good fit to work with me, I have 5 more spots and then it's closing forever. So that's pretty much it, guys, and I will see you at the top.